So welcome friends, today is FA class 4. So now today we are going to configure the depreciation key. So there are 4 parts which we are going to configure: base method, multi-level method, period control and depreciation key. Now go to base method, SPRO, financial accounting, go to asset accounting, depreciation, valuation method, depreciation key, calculation method. So first of all, define base method. Now click on define base method. So here many method already provided by the SAP. So we are going to configure the straight line method. This is 12. See ordinary X split percentage, ordinary percentage, standard percentage, and then depreciation after plant life and no depreciation should charge. Depreciation below NB value 0, net book value of get 0, then depreciation should not charge. If we click on yes, then system will charge depreciation and showing the negative figure. So we have to set no. This is already configured. Now define multi-level. So here this method, depreciation method, new entry, multi-level method, we are going to assign Z01, vehicle 10%, SLN, validity start from capitalization date, depreciation by fiscal year, then go to level. Z01 already exists, so we will create V01, level, new entry, acquisition year, double line. This means how long we want to validate this method, and this is also the same how many years. So this is 2 digit and this is 4 digit. So we mention, and this is a period. So we are going to set 0. So we have nothing mentioned over here. So what is base value? Acquisition value, because we are going to set straight line, then we are going to take acquisition value. If we are going to configure a declining method, then we have to select 24. Now percentage 10, then save. So now our depreciation multi-level is ready. Now go to maintain period control method. So what is that? Let me explain. This is a acquisition when we acquire the asset, when we do some addition, when do we retirement, and we do transfer. So there are many keys which already provided by the SAP. Then pro rata at the period start date, and pro rata up to mid period at the period start date. So what does it mean? It means whenever I am going to acquiring the asset, the system will charge depreciation on pro rata basis, and in addition also same. But when I am going to retire and transfer the asset, the system rate up to mid period at the period start date. So it means when suppose I am transferring my asset in the month of June, the system will charge the depreciation from April to June, not for whole year. So this is like that. In somewhere you seen that 6 is mentioned. So what is 6? 6 means I don't want to depreciate the asset from the on pro rata basis. if I am going to select fixed, then system will charge depreciation from the start of financial year. Now go to depreciation key. Now we are going to maintain depreciation key. Just click on new. So B10 vehicle 10%. So we are not going to touch this thing. No ordinary depreciation, no interest, period control, depreciation to the day. Just leave it and go to assignment calculation. New entry, depreciation, ordinary depreciation, space from the start of depreciation, then base method which we have prepared, declining method no need, period control 01, multi-level method we prepared V01, class straight line depreciation, change method no automatic changeover, increase in depreciation and expired useful life. This is basically when we are working in a manufacturing company, then our machinery is going to be working shift. So then we have to charge the depreciation on the shift basis. So no need to change this thing. Then go save. Check the treatment after the end of useful life. In multiple method V1, you entered acquisition value and replacement value as the base value. You should enter depreciation after end planned life. Acquisition with value 0 due to rounding of proposed capitalization. Let us see. Declining method not required. B01 we have created. Depreciation key not required. Acquisition allowing capitalization that and make it active. Now it's active. So the error is related to the base method. Base method we haven't made changes. We may create this one. B01. Validity start 1. The fiscal year. Level. Period should be 00. It's fine. Check the treatment after the end of useful life. I think this is check the treatment after useful life. I think we have to fix this one. After useful life, why is on the volume? Use the base method and use depreciation after. Reduce useful life at financial year end. So this is just a warning, we can ignore it. When we are creating the asset, then we will see what is the issue in that. So our depreciation method is multi-level method are completed. Thank you. So that is our depreciation configuration already completed. Now we are going to create asset. Testing half year. In SAP there are some there is a standard depreciation key, that is LINR, which is used for straight line method. So we are going to use that. So in that key, what is the calculation method? Suppose we capitalize the asset before half year, then system will charge full depreciation of the year. And suppose we procure asset after September, then system will charge half depreciation of the year. So now we are going to create two assets, one is for half year and one is the full year. So half year we are going to capitalize on 10, depreciation area liner, save. Now full year we are going to capitalize my depreciation area, same, then save. So our asset three 0007, 30007 or 00006. In 6 we have to make changes like quantity AS02, quantity 1, EA, save. Now there is a T code which we are going to use the entry, that is ABZON. In 6 asset value date is, that is half year, so we are amount posted 1 lakh, quantity 1, save. Now going to enter in, this is full year, so amount posted 1 lakh, quantity 1. Now we are going to check the asset value AS03 307. This is for testing full year. Now go to asset value. See, the system is charging 20,000 for full year. If we go to comparison, then system will stop calculating depreciation after 25. So how this is working? Now go to 6. See, system is charged. The asset value is 10,000 and system is charged 1,000 and 1,000 in final year. So this is how a linear method is working. Thank you. Thanks for watching.